Hello everyone, today I am Agrima Bhardwaj from class 9th A. Today I am going to show you my handmade separating funnel which I have made using a plastic water bottle which is transparent, and I have made hole on the top of the bottle can. Now I am going to show you its working. It is used to separate immiscible solutions. So I'm going to separate our immiscible solution, which is oil and water. First of all, I'm going to pour the water inside this bottle. So you can see I have poured the water inside the water bottle. Now I'm going to pour the oil inside it. Now you can see that oil is floating on the water. As we know that oil is less denser than the water, so it is floating on the water. It has formed a layer on the water. Now I'm going to separate them. First of all, I will be pouring this water. You can see water is getting collected in this bowl. So I'm going to pour it. So the whole water has been taken out or separated from the oil and water mixture. Now I'm going to separate this oil in a different bowl. So you can see both oil and water have been separated using the simple homemade separating funnel. The water and the oil may not be as pure as they were before, but we can show that this separating funnel is working as it can separate both of the immiscible solution. Thanks for watching.